going to unbox a 2021 Safari Kiddie meal from JOLIBEE. So let's open it. Oh, they have a safety seal. I guess that's new because I never saw this last time. Okay. By the way, guys, what's your favorite food from JOLIBEE? Mine is burger steak. Like, it's just so yummy. Like, actually 100 times super duper yummy. Okay, let's open it. Okay. I'm excited. Okay, here we go. We got Twirly. Let's put her there. Kiddie. Let's do Popo. And then Yum, and JOLIBEE. Let's put that button there. Okay, let's open JOLIBEE first. Got JOLIBEE. We got JOLIBEE and his sticker, and then Yum and his sticker. Poke. Let's open it. Okay, there we go. And then he doesn't have a sticker. Okay, there it is. And then Kiddie and her sticker, and then Twirly. And her sticker. So let's put on their stickers, guys. Let's get this one. There. Okay, and then this Safari Adventure sticker. Okay, it's not like that, but that's fine. Okay, I'll put this one. Okay, we're gonna put this up now. I think this here. Right here. Right here. Oh, okay. Okay, there we go. And then, you don't have it. Okay, I think it's this one. What's this there? Okay, it's still not on the way. Okay. Okay, there we go. And then Twirly. Like that. And then this one. Okay, there we go. You got 5 of them now. Okay, now let's have them like this. Okay, there we go. And then Kiddie. Okay, there we go. Oh, nothing. Okay, and then. Okay, so you have to match the stickers. Okay. There we go. And then Kiddie. There we go. And then Coco. Wait, what? Like this? I don't get it. Okay, I think it's like that. Okay, here we go. By the way, guys, you can use this as a cake topper if your theme is Safari and you're celebrating at JOLIBEE. Ooh, choo choo. I'm gonna look at the animals. This bird is so cute. Buy it now, guys, because it's so amazing. And eat your favorite JOLIBEE meal while playing with these amazing toys. Choo choo. All aboard! Bye guys, I will eat first. JOLIBEE approved. Look at this, guys! Wow, I'm gonna take a picture.